Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly capture the attention of women they meet? Surprisingly, it's not just about looks, money, or social status. The real secret lies in the way they communicate. High-value men understand that their words, and the emotions behind them, create a lasting impression, leaving women thinking about them long after the conversation ends. In this guide, we'll uncover how to communicate in a way that sparks curiosity, builds intrigue, and makes you unforgettable. Done right, these techniques can transform the way you connect with women forever. The power of first impressions. First impressions set the stage for lasting attraction. Many men try too hard, telling flashy stories or adopting an over-the-top persona. High-value men take a different approach. Their goal isn't to win her over in the first exchange, but to leave a subtle, memorable imprint. They know that women are highly attuned to emotional cues, body language, tone of voice, and energy, often noticing these before a single word is spoken. The way you carry yourself can determine whether she thinks about you long after you've parted. The unspoken language of confidence. True confidence can't be faked. It shows in posture, tone, and how you move through the world. High-value men speak calmly and deliberately, choosing their words with intention. They don't rush to fill silences. Instead, they let pauses create intrigue. Confidence isn't about being loud or boastful. It's about being genuine, composed, and comfortable in your own skin. This quiet strength naturally draws attention. Emotional resilience. Another quality that sets high-value men apart is emotional composure. When teased or challenged, they don't become defensive. Instead, they respond playfully or calmly, showing they aren't easily rattled. This resilience signals emotional maturity and makes them stand out in a world where many overreact or try too hard to impress. Subtle gestures that speak volumes. Impact doesn't always come from grand gestures. Small, intentional actions, steady eye contact, a relaxed posture, a thoughtful nod, speak volumes. Women often pick up on these cues more deeply than most men realize. These subtle signals communicate warmth, composure, and attentiveness, creating stronger emotional connections. The allure of mystery. Oversharing is common today, which is why mystery is so powerful. High-value men understand that leaving some details unsaid keeps interactions exciting. They reveal just enough to spark curiosity while leaving space for her imagination to fill in the gaps. This deliberate ambiguity builds intrigue and ensures conversations replay in her mind later. The art of strategic silence. Silence, when used well, is magnetic. High-value men allow pauses to linger, letting their words sink in and creating an air of suspense. Instead of rushing to fill every gap, they embrace stillness, which makes conversations feel deeper and more memorable. Playing the long game. Lasting connections aren't built overnight. High-value men reveal themselves gradually, allowing their personality to unfold over time. Each new interaction adds another layer, making the bond richer and more meaningful while keeping curiosity alive. Creating emotional impact. What truly sets these men apart is their ability to stir emotions. They avoid shallow small talk and instead ask thought-provoking questions that reveal passions, values, and unique experiences. They also use storytelling to create emotional resonance, sharing moments of adventure, vulnerability, or humor that invite connection without coming across as boastful. Planting emotional hooks. Small moments, a well-placed compliment, a shared laugh, or a playful tease, act as emotional anchors. When you highlight deeper qualities rather than surface traits, your words linger in her mind long after the conversation ends. The power of absence. High-value men understand the push-pull dynamic. They're fully present during interactions, but afterward, they give space. This absence allows anticipation to build and makes their presence more valued. They avoid over-communicating, creating room for curiosity and desire to grow, leaving her wanting more. Instead of dragging out conversations until they lose energy, high-value men exit at a peak moment, leaving on a high note and setting the stage for the next meeting. This makes the interaction feel purposeful and creates anticipation for future encounters. Mastering re-engagement. Timing is everything. High-value men know when to re-engage, neither too soon nor too late. When they do, it's thoughtful and specific, referencing something meaningful from the last conversation. This shows attentiveness and strengthens emotional bonds. Final thoughts. For high-value men, Communication is more than words. It's about creating depth, intrigue, and emotional resonance. By blending confidence, patience, mystery, and intentionality, you'll stop chasing validation and instead become the kind of man others are naturally drawn to. When you're not around, they'll find themselves thinking about you, proving that attraction isn't forced, it's earned.